did it again.
I told Angel to go home.
Batista couldn't go home.
Why does his death hurt so much?
Because you're still listening to your fake dad instead of your actual brother, your blood.
Brian Moser, the ice truck killer.
According to police, a night watchman is on the run after the dismembered body parts of a young South Beach woman were found Tuesday, stacked on the home ice of the Miami Glades. The woman is believed to be the latest victim of the notorious ice truck killer, now responsible for 5 deaths in the greater Miami area.